October 19th, 2021. It is Friday. And I'm going to show you what we're going to do, or what I'm planning to do today in this packing, moving chronicles I've got going on. Last night, after I cut off with you guys, we ended up boxing a couple of things that were glassware that were in my closet. So we ended up packing some of those that were for eBay that I'm not going to put up right now. So we packed those up really, really good. And then I got all my plush that are not going to be put on eBay packed up. And I kind of regret it because there was 2 plush in there that had to do with Christmas. And there were Build-A-Bear. One was Build-A-Bear, and then one was like, maybe a Build-A-Bear, no. And then one was like a Rudolph plush. But it's okay. I'm not going to go digging for it. So I'm going to scan the room real quick, show you how it's looking. And there's my doggy. Okay, so we got the bench out of here. That bench that was here. And then over here is what I want to list. So I'm going to look through this one here. This is a Lane Bryant. I washed it yesterday. Is it? Yeah, Lane Bryant. I washed it. And I'm going to inspect it and see if it's good to go. And then remember this jacket? I washed this one too. This Winnie the Pooh, which they say is vintage. I don't know. I know it's an older piece, but I don't know. So we're going to list that. So I'm going to look through those and list that. I want to list, I'm doing laundry, so I have some clothes there. But I'm going to see about listing this one. I'm not sure if I'll list this one today, but I definitely want to list the black pants. This is the last of the pants that I have. It's from Chaps that I have to list. So I want to list the pants. I'm not sure about the dress. Over here I have my Christmas thing, some empty boxes. My work area is looking pretty decent. Not too bad. Those are my makeup brushes I need to put away. They're nice and clean. I've kind of had them out here. In fact, I'm going to take these out of here because I'm going to wash this. My goal in this area is to just pack this. In fact, I might do that before I do my eBay. Because my husband is going to try to put all the shelving units together. So I just want to have them ready to go. So I'm going to take all this off right here. That's my goal. And then just pack that, and that. That was my mama's. Over here, this is Christmas gifts right here that I need to pack, and all the things that I need. In here, I just threw these in here. These are backdrops, lighting for my eBay backdrops. Some white poster paper that I use for my backdrop. So I'm going to keep this out for a little bit. I'm going to keep this out. You never know. This I washed yesterday, so I'm going to list this vintage dress. So let's move that over here. I don't want to get crazy listing today, for sure. This over here is stuff that is clean. This is an eBay tote that got full. It wasn't this full. It got full when I went through all those eBay clothes that were old and had made decisions. This is what I ended up keeping, but the tote had already had some stuff in it. So I'm going to see if I have another tote, which I think I do, that is not as full, and I'm going to add to that. But this is stuff that needs to go on eBay, but it's not necessarily has to go on before I move or anything. I just sort of have it here. These are all clean. This I washed yesterday. It was a little bit wet. So that's going to be packed up. I don't think I'm going to put that up. I might. I don't know. I don't want to get too crazy with listing. That shirt, since I already have it on the mannequin, I'm going to go ahead and list here. This one I don't know if I'll list necessarily. Okay, let's go in the closet. The other thing that I definitely want to do is get my pants. Like I said, they had fallen a few days ago, and I need to get these up. This is my backpack. I think I'm going to keep out because in the move, I definitely will keep what I need here. Put away my shoes. This is stuff that fell again. I'm gonna get all this. All this is gonna be taken care of. Taking care of my shoes. These are purses I need to go through. I don't know if I'll get to them today. I might. I don't know. These are, I think I talked about these. These are Christmas squish mellows that need to go up. I want to take pictures of these. This one I want to put up. This is a Joan Rivers top I washed yesterday. So that kind of where I'm at right now. Back here, I did take, I had some books back over here. Yesterday I took them down. I have more books. So I want to make decisions. Take them down. My husband said that's what we're going to work on today, are the books when he gets home. Nail products. These are extra stuff that we have, like mask. Down there is my eBay. Cleaning supplies. This is for my steamer. Distilled water for my steamer. So we'll see. Definitely going to get the books downstairs. See if I get those pictured. And see how much of that's down there. That's glass to box, because I'm not gonna list it. Let's see how much I can get done. Wow. Without the bench, it's already sounding echoey. So what I'm going to do, what time is it right now? Because I'm in the middle of washing as well. It's 11:30. I've been washing since before I took my son to school. So about 6:15 I've been washing. So that's why I always tell myself this is everything I'm going to do, and then I overwhelm myself. So let me get off here. I'm going to, I think I'm going to work on that, boxing that. And let me tell you, I would put you on the tripod. I tried to do it the other day on that one there, which is the tripod for my phone. Remember I told you my phone is shattered? The back of it is shattered. So I have a case on it and I don't want to remove it. Plus I have a pop socket. Okay. I put the phone on that thing the other day to try to do the video. Well, it didn't work. It kept trying to come off and I was too afraid for the phone to fall. It's okay if I'm sitting there, but to constantly move it and shift it, yeah, it wants to come off. The other thing is I left the light on for hours and hours and hours on end. And this thing here, which is the USB, and then this is the plug. This was burning hot. I mean, it burned my finger. It was so hot. So super hot. I thought that the light wasn't going to work, but my husband checked it out yesterday and it's fine. So I don't want to use that too much. I really use it for when I do sit down videos, and then when I do my pictures, I turn it on and off. Because, yeah, my husband said it shouldn't do that. So I'm not sure if it's a defect in that or what. All right, guys, I've been yapping too much. Hi, everybody. Hope everyone's well. Today is November 21st, 2021. And it is Sunday, and I am off to church. I'm getting ready. I haven't been recording. You guys saw, like, I started that day and then I didn't kind of come back. It just, I know it's going to be that way, guys, with me. It is. And just, I can start my day really, really good, and then I get hit with emotions of all kinds for all reasons, and then I just don't pick up the camera. But yesterday was a little rough. Yesterday was my grandma's birthday, and she's up north now. I know I haven't told you, but she made it up north with her daughter and my cousin. They live and my cousin's family. They live about 2 blocks from the nursing place, and it's a house, and it only houses 6 people. I think right now there's only like 4 residents, and it's a house. It's a regular house, and each room is divided, and my grandma has her room by herself, and she's so happy. But yesterday was her birthday, and I thought she turned 99, but she actually turned 98. And and my uncles that live down Southern California, they went up. My aunt went up there. My mom's youngest sister. And I called to, you know, wish my grandma happy birthday. And, well, I triggered a memory for her. And she's, in a roundabout way, she started asking, not asking, she didn't ask. She made statements about my mom. She doesn't know my mom's past. And that's a decision they've made. It's not something that they have to make that decision. But, anyway, I started crying after my grandma gave the phone back to my aunt. I started crying, and my aunt said, "Don't worry, we got her. We'll distract her." And I said, "Okay." Anyways, guys, let's just move on from that. I'm going to church right now. I don't know what the day is going to bring. That's how it is every day. I know what I have to do, but I don't know what it's going to bring. Do you guys remember I showed you guys the, what did I hope I did, because I haven't been editing too much. So it's like, what did I edit, or what did I, you know, but the Joan Rivers shirt, the Joan Rivers top sold this morning. And so I got the package ready, which is good, really good. All right, guys, I'm running a little late here. So I'll be back with you guys, and we'll see what the day brings today. I know I have to get going. I've sort of I feel like it's been about 2 days and I haven't really done really much, and I need to get going. Yeah, the kids are off of for school break. They're off a week. So I'm going to have them home. So what I'm going to do with them, I'm going to really work in their rooms so they can tell me what they want, what they don't want to keep, and all that good stuff. So we're going to be doing that this week. But I really want to get my room a little bit more packed up. I haven't done what I said I was going to do, and I need to get it done. Okay, guys, I'll be back. Just going to finish getting ready. And let's see what the day brings today, Sunday. I don't like to work on Sundays. I like to come home, and I think I told you that I like to come home and just, you know, work on my planner and be on my friend's live. But she's no longer doing her lives, her paparazzi lives on Sundays anymore. She's doing them on Tuesdays. So, yeah. Anyways, let's see what the day brings. So my daughter and I, we just got back from Mass. Well, we went to Mass, and then we went to Marshall's and Target. So I'm just going to do a real quick haul. I went to Marshall's because I'm looking for syrups, the ones that I put in my cold brew. Ran out. And then I wanted some type of face makeup remover without it being like micellar, like those micellar water ones. I can't do those. Dry up my eyes and everything. So anyways, let me show you what I picked up. This pure gum, I love this gum, it's my favorite. However, this peppermint is not my favorite, but they didn't have the one I like, which is the cinnamon. So I got this. Then the syrup, I got the caramel syrup flavor. I do prefer the chai. The chai is my absolute favorite. If you guys like these syrups, try the chai. This is really, really good. You can put it in your coffee, you can put it in your tea, you can put it in your cold brew, whatever. Really good, but they didn't have it. I didn't find any makeup remover, so I bought these essential oils facial cleanser wipes, detoxifying wipes. These were on clearance for $3, and you get 2. So I'm just using this for the first step, and then into taking my makeup off. And then I bought this Neutrogena. I'm not crazy about Neutrogena or Oil of Olay. I don't like those type of products, but I found this one for $4. And it's a Skin Balance polyhydroxy acid, 2%. Milky cleanser for dry and sensitive skin, and it has no fragrance. So thought I would give this a try. So it was on clearance for $4. Okay, and then, oh, actually I also went there for shampoo. I like to get my shampoo at Marshall's. They didn't have any of the ones that I really, really do like, but I did see this. Biosilk Hydrating Therapy. This is the conditioner. So I got this one, and this one is 34 fluid ounces, so it's the big one. And this was $14.99. So I got that, and I did get the shampoo. I did get the shampoo. The shampoo was also $14.99. So I got those. My daughter needed a new shower cap, so she got this one here. And it has a suction cup, so she can actually put this in the shower and put it in here. And it does have on the bottom so that it will, let me take it out. So that, I didn't see that, Savannah, that this one had suction cups. So like you could put it in the shower, and then it does have the openings so that it won't. Yeah, cool. So this is what she got. This one was $3.99. So she needed a shower cap. She bought, well, I bought, but she wanted M&Ms, and she got the regular, just the red and the green, and then she got this one, which is the peanut, for the peanut butter, right? This one's peanut butter? Yeah. Okay, peanut butter. Her boyfriend's coming over on Tuesday, and they're supposed to make us Belantes. So. And hot cocoa. Woo! Tuesday. So they're gonna be baking for us. Okay, so that was for, yeah, my daughter wanted those. And then I bought this for my daughter, this headband, and oh my gosh, this is fleece, and this is hand, it says on here, yeah, hand knitted fleece lined. This was $10 and one size. Look, that pretty, that is gorgeous, and it is super, super soft, guys. Super, super soft. Oh, she's gonna have to let me borrow this. So I bought that for her. All right, and then I got some like food. I got some Zivia soda, like the Zivia, and then I got them a Starbucks drink there, but they made a mistake on the size, and so they ended up giving us one for free, basically, because they said just to keep it. So we're gonna give that one to my husband. But anyway, I got this little reindeer here. He was $3. $3. Oops. $3. And I just need in the back here on the wall in the dining area where we eat, there's 2 shelves, and I need just a few pieces. So I thought this would be good here. And then I got this tree here, this flocked little tree. This was $3 too. Doesn't have the price on here, but I did pay $3. I hope I did. Hold on a minute. Home. $3. Yeah, $3. So, yeah. So I'm gonna, take out work on the leaves and stuff, branches. And then this, my daughter needed her facial moisturizing lotion, lightweight, oil-free, nighttime. She really likes this. This is very comparable, she said, to the CeraVe, which is $9.99, and this one is $9.99 as well. However, you get a lot less with the CeraVe. You get more fluid ounces with the Up and Up brand, which is their Target brand, and it's the same, she said. So that's why she likes this one. And now that is it. When I sold it, I said, I don't know. I have this feeling. I bought this puzzle at Marshall's for $12.99. 16 years old. Till I'm alive, and I'll give it to my daughter so she, clear the shelf off. I'm going into my glasses. I think I'm also going to pack my nail polishes, but I'm not going to seal it. That was me, my senior picture. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? As far as palettes, like eyeshadow palettes,